Why is it important to talk about bringing the human back into the workplace? I feel for the past 200 years, we're in a very archaic industrial model that was based on a machine, and we really forgot about the human, we forgot about the planet, and we even forgot about purpose, like why are we doing business in a sense. So I think it's time to put the human and the planet back into the equation. Profit is very important. So I define myself as an ecopreneur, which is people, purpose, planet before profit. So I love profit, but not at the expense of people, purpose, and planet. So I think it's time that we put the human back into the equation. We think of their health. We think of what inspires them to come to work. We challenge them as well too, and they see work as a place where they can grow and evolve, and not just come in, punch out, and do a job that's not necessarily exciting, but something that's boring, but they're doing it because they want to get a paycheck and take care of their family, which is great, but is it something that can inspire them to come to work every single day and add to what that business does, add to that mission, and hopefully find solutions to all the stuff that's going on the planet at the moment.